First off, I'll be starting with the US braiding hair. This is X-pression kanekalon braiding hair, the biggest pack. It was originally used for braids, short braids, and it wasn't cut into a cut 4. So I'll be brushing out the hair, but I'll advise that before brushing out the hair, you detangle the hair piece by piece as was used during the braids to help for easy brushing out. Because you see that I have tangled hair in my brush, so to avoid that, just detangle piece by piece with your hands first. So this is what the hair looks like after brushing. So this is what it looks like. Then you get a chair or anything you can tie strands to, and you tie 2 strands of Brazilian wool. I'm using 2 strands because I do not want the head of my wefts to be bulky. I want it to look very realistic. Then you knot your hair just the way I'm doing in this video to the strands tied to the chair, like in a crochet kind of way, but crocheting with. So this is what the wefts look like when you're done with the knotting process. This is what they look like, and I'll be doing different inches of wefts. After that, it is time to cut the hair. I want the hair to be short hair, so I'm going to be cutting it into different inches of length according to the wefts I have made. So while cutting, I'll advise you cut horizontally and vertically, then you brush out while cutting, because hair could get stuck up while you're cutting. So when you brush out, you get all the hair that you didn't get to cut out the first time. You get to cut it out and you get an even cut. So you cut vertically because you want your tip to look pointy. You don't want it to have bulky tips and look fake. So you want it to still have this realistic look like real hair. So you cut vertically. So when you're done cutting the hair to your desired length, I'll be adding a mix. This is a leave-in conditioner and water mix with cream. You notice that throughout the video I did not use hair cream on the hair. This is when I'm going to use the hair cream to give the hair shine, and the leave-in conditioner makes the hair softer. It gives it a softer texture to give it like a hair look. So that is all we're trying to achieve with this. Then you straighten with your hair straightener. You straighten the hair very well.
You blow my mind, yeah. Through space and time, baby. You blow my mind, it's crazy. You blow my mind, yeah. You blow my mind, yeah. Through space and time, baby. You blow my mind, it's crazy. You blow my mind.
While straightening your hair before you cut out the wefts, make sure to straighten the head of your wefts. Then you cut out and tie knots at both ends of the wefts to have your weave-on like look. Even after tying the knot at both ends, still flatten the head of your wefts with your straightener. Then you attach your clips to it. This is what the clips look like. I got mine from AliExpress. You can get yours from Jumia or AliExpress, whichever you desire. Then you attach to it. But if you do not have clips and you really want to work this hair now, you could use bobby pins. I'm sorry I didn't have a video of me styling